Hey there. Did you know that a whopping 80% of new businesses fail within the first 18 months? Surprisingly, the recruiting business has a higher success rate. Stick around to uncover the secrets of starting a successful recruiting and staffing business. So in today's video, I'm going to dive into this and helping you start a business. If you've ever considered venturing into the industry, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Mark Diamond, your staffing and recruiting coach. I've started 2 firms and operated those for 15 years. And since then, I helped many recruiting and staffing founders grow their business. Some, in fact, by adding $1 million in direct hire fees in a year. Others, $6 million in staffing revenues annually. I've also, outside of staffing, helped a business grow from 30 million to $1 billion, holding several key roles, including vice president of sales, president, CEO of a public company. So let's explore the incredible potential for success in this thriving field. So starting a recruiting business has its fair share of challenges, from building a solid client base, establishing credibility in the industry, and new business owners can often face hurdles that can be daunting. But don't worry, we're going to help you guide through all these challenges. So let's talk about why would you want to start a recruiting business? Well, the industry is booming, and it's going to continue to boom as the demand for talent far exceeds the availability of potential employees. And that's true in almost every niche. Learning the skills of the industry is going to help you with helping other people. How? Well, people go to work and enjoy what they do, are productive at their companies, they add value, their companies are more successful. They also come home and they have money. They're happy. They can deliver love to their families. So how does this help you? Well, 1, you just made an emotional good thing happen that you'll feel proud about yourself. 2, you'll reap the financial rewards. So let's talk about, how do I make money? So when you place a candidate with a client company on a direct hire, you'll typically earn a percentage of the starting salary. Look, this could be 15%, 20, 25, or even 33% of starting salaries. But you can also just charge a flat fee. So for example, if you place an accountant who earns $70,000 and you earn a fee of 20%, you'll earn $14,000. Now, if you're placing somebody as a contractor or on a temporary basis, it's a different scenario. You've got different costs. First, they're going to be your employee. So you're going to need to pay your employee. You'll have payroll taxes. You will need insurance. You will need a funding source, and that'll cost you a few dollars, and any administrative cost. So let's just say these costs are $30 an hour for, let's say, a light industrial worker. And you'll bill your client company, let's say $35 an hour. If your employee works 40 hours a week, you'll earn $5 an hour times the 40 hours, $200 for the week. So the key here is having many people working for you. If you had 10 people in this example, you'd earn $2,000 a week, as long as they're all working each and every week. You may go, that sounds interesting, Mark, but is this expensive? Well, starting a recruiting and staffing business is not a heavy financial burden. You need an internet connection, a really good one. You need a computer, the best one you can invest in. You don't even need a phone if you have great software. The software today allows you to do a click-to-call and do voice over IP right in the software. And you don't need a large number of clients to be successful. 1 or 2 strong clients in the beginning will bring you enough monthly income to make this your full-time gig if it's not. What's important to be successful in this business? Well, here's the incredible thing. This is the people business. You gotta like talking to people. You gotta helping them navigate in their career, or in the case of a client, bringing the right talent into their business to see them be more successful. So to do this, you're going to need to network. And that's a fancy way of saying, how do I start a relationship and how do I continue to have that grow? There's many ways to start. The easiest ways are on LinkedIn, job boards, but there's many, many sources. And depending on the type of business you run and niche, they'll determine which ones work effectively. But the key thing is effective communication. And we could, again, do that through email, through phone, so social media. We can even advertise, going to networking events, calling, emailing. They're all a few examples of how to reach out. There's many. But as I've shared with you, recruiting and staffing is the ultimate people business. And we have to have both to make money. So when's the right time to engage with people? Every day. And you'll need a system to do this, and we'll show you how. But the key thing is, if you stop reaching out, don't be surprised if your business stops growing. And there's a reason for that. You may lose a client or candidate with zero fault of your own. People move, people get hired away, people progress in their careers outside of the skills that you recruit for. So no matter how many searches you have, a portion of each day needs to be focused on new candidate and client acquisition. So to wrap all this up, starting a recruiting business, it's not easy, but the rewards are certainly worth it, both emotionally and financially. By overcoming these challenges, implementing a solid plan, leveraging the power of networking, you can position yourself for success in the industry. And the opportunities are literally endless. It depends on what types of folks you like talking with. So if you found these insights valuable and want more tips in starting a successful recruiting and staffing business, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for other videos. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start your recruitment company, first you can follow the steps in this video. But if you want to fast track it, please watch the video. There'll be a link below. I'll teach you how I've helped founders like you with my systems, software, and coaching. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.